Welcome back to Innovate and Renovate with Tiffany L. Hollinger. If you remember from last episode, we talked about the general renovations, challenges, and pitfalls. So if you didn't see the last episode, stop here, go back and check that out, and then come back and see me. Today, we're going to talk about adding a full bathroom and building a complete garage from scratch. So, in this renovation, I decided to add a full bathroom and build a garage. And here's the reasons why. Most of the houses in this area only have one full bathroom. And if they have a second bathroom, it's typically in the basement. So again, my model of how I can add the most value and maximize my return, how awesome it would be to have added the master bathroom upstairs, and it didn't have a garage. And while I wasn't required from a municipality standpoint to build one, clearly who wants a fabulous new house and not have a garage? So I decided to build the garage, and it was kudos for me because I could learn something new. Adding the master bathroom added an additional anywhere from $5,000 to $7,000 in potential return. And of course, having a garage versus not yields you about a $7,000 to $12,000 return. So we do this while we love it, but I also do it to make a profit. So my favorite part of this renovation was adding the bathroom and building the garage. However, it was also my biggest challenge. From the contractors that I had to subcontract out to, following up with some of the quality of their work, the implications of poor craftsmanship, even some very unscrupulous and savage work ethic being done. But that's part of the process, and you have to take the good with the bad, the ups and the downs, and you gotta figure a way to work it out and how to make it happen. You just can't throw up your hands and be like, I quit, or there's no boss you could go run to and say, hey, I'm having this challenge, can you help me out? No, you're the boss. You're the main contractor. You have to find a way to make it happen. And thus, that's pretty much what your reward is. That is what, at the end of the day, makes you different or makes me different than most people. It's because at the end of the day, I'm going to find a way to make it happen. So, the moral of the story is definitely don't be afraid to try something new. While there may be some challenges and some things to overcome, at the end of the day, no risk, no reward. That's it for now. Thank you for watching Innovate and Renovate with #AskTiffanyH. Now don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you next time.